In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot. If you want to save your Copilot history to your computer for reference, backup, or record keeping, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Copilot. Once the page loads, make sure you're on the main Copilot interface where you can access your chats and account options. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Microsoft keeps the account-related options for Copilot. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a quick scan along the lower left side, because that's where the profile menu is located in this layout. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different preferences for your Copilot account, including features related to your data and privacy. It's a good idea to move slowly here so you don't accidentally select the wrong option. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Privacy. This section is where Microsoft places controls related to your information, activity, and how your Copilot history is handled. Since exporting chat history is considered a privacy and data action, this is the section you'll need. Inside the privacy area, look for the option labeled Export History and click on it. This tells Copilot that you want to generate a downloadable copy of your history. Depending on your browser and system, the file may begin downloading right away, or you may be prompted to confirm the download first. Finally, save the file to your computer. Choose a location that's easy to remember, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can find it later without searching around. If you like to stay organized, you can also save it inside a folder specifically for exports, backups, or account data. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Copilot history. As a quick tip, after saving the file, consider opening the folder right away to confirm the download completed properly. That way, you know your export is available whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.